Okay, let's go.
It's your boy JD the Black Pilot. I'm here at my hangar moving some stuff in. I don't have my airplane here yet, but I am starting to move some stuff in. So let me give you a quick show of what I got going on. So I have some pegboards here that I'm gonna hang my tools. I have two 5-gallon buckets here that are clean. I have a shop vac, some air hoses for my air compressor, a box full of tools, a vise, microwave, a ladder. I have one of those propane heaters that I can put in here or near the door for sure, get some air ventilation. A camping chair, a big trash can. I have some extension cords inside as well. I have a bicycle. I have some weed stuff over there. Over here on this side, I have an air compressor. This is probably a little bit overkill for what I'll be using. I mean, even if I use pneumatic tools, that's definitely overkill. I have a file cabinet as well. And of course, last but certainly not least, the last thing I have here is the beautiful American flag. So it's brand new, just in the box. I'm going to definitely hang this on the back wall. This holds a special place in my heart, being a service member. Been in the military for 16 years now. Just has a special place in my heart, going to Iraq, Afghanistan, so I will always fly the red, white, and blue. That's just me, but this is what I got going on so far. I will be putting some stuff up, placing some stuff. Now that I'm looking around here at nighttime, seeing the lighting in here, and it's not that great, so I'll definitely be trying to add some additional lights. I'll see what my landlord says about that, but I do have a friend that's an electrician that will definitely run everything to code for me. So yeah, I'm super excited about having this hangar and getting things set up in place. So on this side, on this dark side, I'm definitely going to have my office side, kind of like relaxation. Over here, I have a mini fridge, microwave, file cabinet. I'll get a desk eventually, but I have this cool little backpack chair. Pretty awesome, right? I know, you want to be me. But really cool chair. I used to take camping all the time. Unfolds as a backpack, flops out, of course, University of Washington, best school out there. And yeah, it folds back out. You can add this in there. Put your table up, lock it in. Got little storage pockets there. Pretty cool snazzy chair. I don't remember where I got it from. But that's on that side. There's on this side. And then here on this side is actually like a cooler. This is a cooler. You can have all your cold beverages if you desire. You can also detach this and just take it with you as well. So I might use this in the plane as well. And different pockets and whatnot. So on this side, I'll have my relaxation side and planning side. I'll get a table up here and computer, be able to do my flight planning, file cabinet, put the microwave over here, mini fridge. So. All right, let's see what's next. What else I can do? Tools on this side, compressor, all that good stuff. Microwave, always need a microwave. Popcorn, gotta make sure they're in Ziploc bags. And cool sign someone gave me, one of my actual instructors at my flight school. So shout out to Seamus, thank you. Gotta find a nice place to put this as well. Maybe I'll put it right by the door so I see it every time. It was my first gift and pretty cool, pretty awesome. Thanks, Seamus. But a nice place for this to go. For now, it's going to go right there. That's going to be held right now. But I also have extension cord. Probably need to get some hooks in me. And then this messy extension cord, so always keep your extension cords. Yes. Keep your rolled up. And that's everything. So for the time being, I will leave it there. Time is coming. It's not quite here yet. For these huge heaters, I'm going to paint heaters probably going to be a no-go because it's enclosed and I'm burning propane. Doesn't seem like a smart idea to do it. I could have both doors open, but it just sounds like a bad idea. That's probably not too smart. I'm sure with the combustion, it's still going to produce carbon monoxide. I don't think that's a good idea. So we'll figure it out. Alright, let's get that down here. So what I really want to do is run air lines from over here, from the air compressor up, and have I don't even know what it's called, like a ratchet reel thing up there that I can pull down and use air, so that way I don't have to have lines all on the ground. We'll see what happens. It may not even have to go all the way up to the top of the beam, but I can probably go from this frame to that frame to that frame. I think I have enough air lines for that to connect them. And this is a big, huge, it's a 30-gallon, 4 horsepower, looks like 11.9 cubic feet a minute, CFM. Now I'm sounding dumb because I don't know what it is, but I'll set this over here for the time being. Ladder, I will definitely be using this. And then my pegboards. I'm thinking about putting where to put pegboards. But to be honest with you, I don't really want to drill into anything. I don't even know if I'm going to use them, but I had them, so I figured why not bring them. If I choose not to use them,